Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be looking at something called the Texas two-step. It's a way to change mixed numbers into fractions. And it's called the Texas two-step because there are two steps to it, a multiplication step and an addition step. So, which kind of looks like T and X for Texas. Oop. Here I've represented my fraction incorrectly. There we go. So, the way we can change this mixed number into a fraction is this. First, we have three whole numbers here, correct? 1, 2, 3 whole numbers. And we know that because we have all 4 fourths. Well, if we think about this, this just means that we have one group of 4, two groups of 4, three groups of 4, which we have seen before as multiplication. So first off, we have 3 times 4. We have 12 fourths.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Next, we have the second step, the addition step, where we are going to add our 1/4 that we have here. So, 1/4. So we have 3 times 4, 12, plus 1 equals 13. And of course, they remain fourths. We don't change the size of these, we're just counting them up in a faster way. So, we have 3 of these, 3 fourths, plus 1 more. Let's see that in a different way. Okay. So, again, we're going to do the Texas two-step. So first we multiply. We have 2 whole numbers. So we have 2 groups of 5/5. So that is 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. Right? Because here we have 2 groups of 5. Then we add the fraction that we have here, right? And we have 1, 2. So we're going to add 2 as well. We're going to add 2/5. And that lets us know that this fraction is equal to 12/5. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So that is an easy way to change mixed numbers into fractions. First you multiply, then add. Thank you ladies and gentlemen. Let's see you practice.